Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G4 in 2024. Alright, let's begin. First, open your computer's display settings and ensure that the resolution is set to 1920 by 1080p, which is Full HD for the sharpest image. Next, navigate to the advanced display settings and set the refresh rate to 240Hz for a smoother experience, especially when gaming. Now, adjust the picture mode by pressing the menu button on the Odyssey G4. Navigate to picture mode and select custom. This allows you to tweak individual settings for a tailored gaming experience. The FPS or RTS modes can work well for specific genres, but custom offers greater flexibility. Next, fine-tune brightness and contrast. In custom mode, set the brightness to around 75 to 80 for a bright yet comfortable view. Set the contrast between 70 to 75 for good depth without oversaturating colors. This combination balances visibility and eye comfort in different lighting environments. Enable game mode in the settings menu to reduce input lag, providing a faster response time ideal for gaming. Additionally, toggle on low input lag to further enhance responsiveness. Adjust the black equalizer setting to around 10 to 12 for improved visibility in darker scenes. This will brighten shadowy areas without losing contrast, which is useful in dark environments. So that's basically all about the best settings for Samsung Odyssey G4 settings. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.